It is possible to get for a trip in Japan without using any Japanese and using slow and simple English. But a little effort goes a long way. Here are a few expressions to help you get by and become a Nippon traveler.
As with many languages, Japanese borrows a lot of words, so you'd be surprised how much you already know. これは何ですか?
バナナです。
Here are a few basic words and phrases to get you through.
こんにちは。ありがとう。
すみません。
どうぞ。英語を話せますか？
駅はどこですか? トイレはどこですか? いくらですか?
すいません。瓶ビールください。何ビールください。次はトニックください。これください。Dos cervezas, por favor. Want this ください。お会計ください。
Thanks for watching. If there's any specific phrases you want to know, then leave us a message at lifeplus.com or on any of our social media. A big thank you to our sponsor Nomi Japan in Singapore. Thousands of Japanese goods for only $2. Sayonara!